channel does not promote or condone street racing. Street racing is illegal and extremely dangerous. This video is for entertainment purposes only. All racing was done on a closed course. Do not attempt to replicate any action seen here. Always follow traffic laws and drive responsibly. Stay safe.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. It's been a super long time, but we're back, and I got something new to throw on to the Focus. Actually, I got two new things, but we're just doing the big thing today, and then we're gonna go on a car meet. There's the Bronco. I've done some stuff to the Bronco too. I'll show you guys. So while I've been MIA, I put these on and just didn't film it. But we got ditch lights from Rough Country on here now. And another thing we did was these Raptor style grill lights. Those are pretty cool. I'll show you guys them on here in a second. So this is them on. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's pretty bright. Oh yeah, I guess you can tell. But yeah, we got these, and then the ditch lights are actually on a toggle switch because the Bronco comes with a wiring harness inside that you just tap into, and then you can put it on to, I think it's 6 switches, so you could just put it onto one of those 6. But yeah, that's what's been going on with the Bronco. So here's what we got. Bet you guys can just tell from seeing the box, but it's not in the box. It is right here. New carbon fiber hood for the Focus. Got the Sibon TV style, so it's got the most vents you can get on there. Pretty nice. It's got the rain guards in right now because we're in Washington and it likes to rain a lot, so these probably won't come out for a while. But yeah, it's a super nice hood. We're gonna go over to the car and start taking off the old one. Alright guys, so to remove the old hood, it's literally just these 2 nuts. Pretty sure they're 10 mils. And I was gonna keep these, but Sibon kinda urges against them because I guess obviously the metal hood is more heavy. So supposedly the hood struts will kind of put pressure on the hood all the time. I might try it and just see how it is. If it is too much, then I'll take it off, but if it seems like it's gonna be all right, we'll leave them on. So I'm actually having my wife help me, so we're gonna take these off and probably not be able to film it, so we'll get to that and we'll get back. Alright guys, the hood is off. I forgot to mention there's little tabs on this windshield washer line where it meets up, and you just got to pull those off. Super easy. And then it is 10 mils right here. Take the 10 mils off and then you're good. We just got to put the new one on now. Alright y'all, so the problem I'm running into is these are way too small to fit the windshield sprayer things, and they are supposed to clip in there, but I don't want to just shove it in there and it cracked the carbon. So I'm taking this little oscillating tool and kind of just shaving a little bit at a time so I can fit it in there. So we'll see how that works. Alright guys, so the new hood is all on there. We're going to use these for now. I tested it and it doesn't seem like it puts too much pressure on it. And we installed the wiper sprayers. Looks pretty good. Main thing you want to do whenever you do this is just check your panel gaps. Make sure they're all good because you're putting on a new body panel. So looks pretty good. This side might have to come towards me a little bit more, so we'll try to fix that. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the carbon fiber hood. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, I love it. It looks great with all the vents. Like I said, right now it's got the rain cover, so the vents aren't all the way through, but not bad, not bad. Marcus in the cut. Got the new Q50 out today. Just put the muffler delete on. Built not bought. Merrick's new Lexus IS 250. The Focus. With their carbon fiber. Nice BMW 5.0.
I seen a.
Alright, we started the cruise, so we're gonna be cruising. What's up, guys? It's like 2 days later. I realized I never made an ending for that video. Got Adam LZ the GOAT in the back. But Marcus's Q50 only has the muffler delete right now. We didn't really make a video of it because of where we installed it. But look out for videos on Marcus's Q50. I kind of want to do a build series. If you guys want to see a build series on that, then just let me know in the comments and we can make it happen. We also put a spoiler on last night. So last night we celebrated my birthday, so I didn't really pick up the camera or anything, but we put on a spoiler. So he's got the spoiler, the muffler delete, and then he's got a grill with a glow badge to put on. So we're gonna do that. But yeah, we're gonna do a build on it. So probably in the next video we'll be doing more of that. I also have a rear strut bar to put on, but I doubt you guys want to see a video on that, so I'll probably just throw it on a day where I'm not doing anything. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.